I'm Clifford the pilot, a class rating instructor. This isn't a flight school, this is flying around Europe. Today I'm travelling from Ocaña back to Granada. This is the closest station to Ocaña. Tickets can all be bought online. I use Ocaña. So this is the platform and this is the train. This one goes straight to Madrid. Like everything in Europe, it's not expensive to travel by train. Nowhere near the price that it costs in the UK. So this is Madrid's main station. I got there a few hours early, so I got some water and sat in one of the cafes. This is the lounge you get with your ticket. You can get drinks and snacks here while you wait for your train. This is a train in back to Granada. It's about 3 and a bit hours and it's all comfortable. With my ticket you get a meal with the train. So this is coming into Granada. Now we're at Granada. So I'm now back in Juan Espadafor Aeródromo for maintenance on aircraft and checking aircraft out. This is a Scottish rally being worked on by our EASA team, and this is a Cherokee being worked on by our UK team. This is Cessna 172 departing on a 50-hour outbuilding trip with outbuilding.com. We have a 10% discount code, Clifford, for all Softfern flashlights. Links in the description.